This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the, what's it, the 20th? 21st? 21st. Oh, God, I'll never get that straight. The 21st of April. Yeah, I'm tired. Can you tell? Okay. Little Petey was there on the hood. Our little Petey was there. Our little sparrow. Hey, Petey. There they go. Oh, we'll put something on the head, on the thing for Charlie. If Charlie comes down, put this down for Charlie. If our little Charlie shows up, put that down there for Charlie. Okay? Now, let's get to the field, guys. Huh? Should we get to the field? Gosh, it looks like rain. It smells like rain. Okay, let's go here. Come on, guys. Oh, these crows are so lovely. Listen to these crows. How nice they are. Now I heard in the weather report we're supposed to be nice this weekend. Now I heard it's supposed to rain and get colder. Well, it certainly got colder today. Uh-oh. Is Luka there? Luka could already be there. Oh, two ducks. Two ducks. Oh, this grass is really tall. 3 ducks. How do you like that? We got 3 ducks here. Look at that. And a couple of pigeons. And look at these guys there. Look at that. Look at our little crows up there. Beautiful. Little pigeons. Is Seymour here? I don't know. We'll go down here. Oh, I don't know, this weather's made me really tired. So, put this down here. Hopefully we can get out of here without being attacked today. So the wind's starting to change. Change direction. Got a lot colder. Here's a little duck. Okay. Let's see. This is for Charlie if she shows up. Okay, now. We'll put this down for the little ducks. There's Seymour. Here's Seymour. Oh, listen to that Seymour. Everybody's so hungry. Everybody's so hungry. Oh, it's so terrible. No habitat left. No insects left. No one feeding birds. That's Seymour. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 silver gulls, 3 ducks. Look at that. Wow. I'd like to know where Charlie is. Where's our little Charlie? Well, we brought Seymour through the winter, didn't we? Actually, I see I see 8 silver gulls. That's the most we had. Ooh, I see some gnats here in the sky. But the birds can't get them. Mauersegler, swifts, they can pull those insects right out of the sky. Right out of the air. But I don't think crows can do that. Oh, I think one got in my eye. There's a little swarm of them there. Look at our little guys here. I don't see Charlie. Where's our little Charlie? So far I don't see Charlie. We'll just wait the rest in here. See what happens. Hey guys. I went through a swarm of gnats. I think I got one in my eye. Oh, here's I'm going around the circle here, but look, that's Jeremy. Jeremy's here. Look at him right there. It's Jeremy. Look at that. Uh-oh. There's Charlie. There's Charlie. Charlie! Good boy, Charlie. Good boy, honey. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Get what you need, honey. Want cheese? Want cheese, baby? There he goes. There he goes. Oh, look at the hawk. He's trying to go after Charlie. Oh my gosh. He's trying to go after Charlie because Charlie had cheese. Did you see that? Oh my goodness, poor Charlie. Who is that other bird? What's that other bird that came down? How do you like that? Did you see that other bird that came down?
Yeah, he took cheese.
The other bird?
Yeah.
No, Charlie took cheese.
Yeah, Charlie took cheese too. They both took cheese. He snitched it.
Was that someone associated with Charlie?
That I don't know.
Or someone else who came?
But that I don't know. I really can't say.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it came with him.
No. Okay. Almost sounds like fireworks across the lake. But I don't know what that could be. There's gnats all over here. There's the hawk. There's Jeremy. What's that sound? Way off in the distance. Gosh, it feels like rain. Certainly feels like rain, and it wasn't supposed to rain, but certainly feels like it. I got some cashews. I think I'm going to throw those down. You see, the hawk went after Charlie.
Oh, wow, that's okay.
Jeremy went after Charlie to get his cheese.
Wow.
Can you believe that?
Hopefully got away.
Of course he did. He dropped some of his cheese though. Here comes Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hey, good boy. Get what you want, honey. Get what you want, Charlie. Good boy. Get your sausage. I cut it up a little smaller today. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Eat a little bit sausage for yourself. Good boy. Good boy, honey. There he goes. There goes our Charlie. This time he's not being pursued, is he? By the hawk. Okay, there's Petey. Hey, Petey. Hey, Petey. There's Petey. Hey, Petey. Hey, Petey. Hey, Petey. Let's see what we got here for Petey. We got something for you, Petey? How about a little nut for Petey? Hey, Petey. There you go, Petey. Petey got his cashew. That was our little Petey, our little sparrow. Okay, let's see here.